With the increasing demand for remote work and the flexibility of working from anywhere in the world, making money online has never been more accessible. If you're looking for ways to earn a living from the comfort of your own home, here are some avenues to explore. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and it offers flexibility in terms of the projects you take on and the clients you work with. To get started as a freelancer, you'll need to identify your skills and the services you want to offer. There are numerous freelancing platforms to choose from, including Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where you can create a profile, showcase your skills and experience, and start bidding on projects. Freelancing requires dedication, hard work, and professionalism to build a strong portfolio, gain satisfied clients, and earn a decent income. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of products or services online. The process of starting an online store can involve creating your own website or using platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Another popular e-commerce business model is dropshipping, where you sell products from a supplier without holding inventory yourself. You can also sell products on marketplaces such as Amazon and eBay. The key to success in e-commerce is to identify profitable products, create compelling product listings, and market them effectively to attract buyers. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right affiliate program that suits your audience's interests and needs. You also need to promote the product or service through your website, blog, or social media channels transparently and genuinely. Effective affiliate marketing requires building trust with your audience and promoting products that you genuinely believe in. You can choose to promote physical or digital products, and the commission rates vary, so it's essential to choose the right products for your audience. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a great way to share your expertise with others while earning money online. Platforms such as Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on a wide range of topics. To create online courses, you'll need to identify a topic you're knowledgeable about and create a course outline and materials. Once you've created your course, you can sell it on a platform like Udemy or market it on your own website. The key to success in online course creation is to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Marketing your course effectively to reach a wide audience and generate sales is also crucial. Blogging and content creation involve creating engaging and high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Blogging involves writing and publishing articles on your own website or blog, while content creation can include creating videos, producing podcasts, or developing online courses. To make money from blogging and content creation, you need to build a large audience and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. You can build your audience through social media promotion and collaboration with other bloggers and content creators. Conclusion: making money online is a viable and accessible option for anyone with the right skills, mindset, and dedication. With numerous options available, from freelancing to e-commerce and online courses, there are plenty of avenues to explore to make a living from the comfort of your own home. The key to success is to identify your skills and interests, choose the right platform or business model, and work hard to build a strong portfolio, attract clients or customers, and generate a decent